I love art dolls. Did you know that you can create the easiest armatures out of scrap paper and leftover holiday wrap, magazine pages, newspaper, and a little bit of masking tape? You can try making several of them and have them strike different poses. You'll find that they're easy to position in any way you like because it's totally up to you. So I'm working on this example for you. You can scribble an outline on any type of paper that you like. So since I have many scraps, that's what I used. And all you have to do is follow the shape. Just draw a stick man. Twist any type of paper together. Follow along the lines and secure it with masking tape and then compare it to the stick figure like this. And once we do that, then it could be filled in, which is what I'm going to begin doing right there. And I'm going to just use some white crumpled tissue. So this one's off to a pretty good start. And I'll continue from here using up some more of the paper. I have so many scraps to choose from. And I'm just going to go around and continue covering the rest of the body. Now remember, these are just a way of starting out because they're going to be very flimsy at first. But you'll see how they evolve. It's just a matter of deciding how we're going to shape them. And I just play with them. It's so much fun to play with paper. And what better way for me than to do it with these leftovers? And then I could turn them into my papier mâché sculptures. Have you done anything similar to this before? And is this your first time here? Are you familiar with what I do? Well, I welcome you. And I do love paper. Now, I'm trying to decide here whether to make a new face or add one that I already started. But you know, they can be left blank. So it's totally up to you. Now that's my liquid starch that I made from cornstarch and water. Now I have that recipe in my playlist. So I dab it on there, just a little bit here and there to hold the paper in place. And I'm continuing on with a little bit of a garment. And that's part of the fun. I just love making the little costumes and working with different patterns and colors of the paper that can make your art dolls look so very playful. What do you think? Now, can you imagine the possibilities? Because I've only begun. Take this project as far as you like with your imagination. Now, they can be any shape And they don't even have to be human. I mean, you might want to make a mermaid or something along those lines. Something purely fantastical, out of your own imagination. It could be something spiritual. It could be something magical, something whimsical with cute little accents, such as perhaps some pointed ears, maybe a set of wings. Anything goes. You could create one or more. Of course, it's totally up to you. So think about the things you can add that make it uniquely yours. Take your time and enjoy the creative process along the way, because that's what it's all about. There's so much joy to be found in even the smallest of things that keep us steady and focused through creative projects. There are times when we all need balance in our lives, and you can find a way to reposition. There's always room for that because we're in control whenever we have more options to explore. So explore all of the choices that you have and stay creative. Thank you for having joined me, and here's wishing you a happy, safe, and prosperous new year of creativity. And I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.